Okay, so nung April 22, nakita ko tong post na actually someone sent it to me kasi hindi ko naman ugali na pumunta sa page ng Grace for All Coalition para bantayan yung mga pinapost nila, critiques against Calvinism. So nakita ko to. May ano yun may parang dalawang nakabilog. Two evangelical views on salvation, Calvinistic soteriology and non-Calvinistic soteriology. And then, ang ginawa ko is kinrap ko yung Calvinistic or Calvinist soteriology and I highlighted red flags. I highlighted red flags. Yung bagay na masasabi ko na misrepresentation sa Calvinism or intentional poisoning the well. And I hope na i-treat lang sana natin itong response na ito objectively kasi ang problema kasi sa mga commonly sa mga Pinoy ko lang naman ito na observe na kapag ka zealous ka sa pagsagot sa mga ganitong bagay is nababrand ka as mayabang. And sige, kung yan yung judgment ninyo, mayabang, edi mayabang. But again, encouragement ko is sana i-treat lang natin ito objectively. Sagot ko personally kay A-Rich. So, si A-Rich ay sumagot kasi, pero nakita ko yung post. Dahil may nag-message ulit sa akin. Ayan, may nag-message nga ulit sa akin. So, kaya nakita ko yung post. Before natin basahin yung post, basahin muna natin yung nire-refute ko sa una nilang post. Sa Calvinistic soteriology. Sabi dito, the gift of salvation is 100% the work of God, fulfilled at the cross of Christ, given only to the elect. Tapos, parenthesis, pre-selected few. The elect will be made to believe, but the rest of humanity will not be given the ability to believe at all. At yung response ko dito, noong April 22 ay ito. Kahit na ilang beses na na-call out sa SOCMED, sa social media, yung Grace for All Coalition, regarding the misrepresentation nila sa Calvinism, tuloy-tuloy pa rin nilang pinaninindigan yung salitang pre-selected few. Misrep card nila. So, pre-selected few, misrep card nila. As if monolithic ang Calvinism dito. Okay? Ang monolithic sa Calvinism ay ang doctrine of election. Pero, informed ng eschatological position, ang issue kung few ba ang elected or majority ang elected. Isa pa dito, yung poisoning the well nila na the rest of humanity will not be given the ability to believe. If they are really informed about Calvinism, so if they are really informed about Calvinism, the worldview, the belief system that they are critiquing, grace cannot be demanded. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na and the rest of humanity will not be given the ability to believe because given or being made willing to believe is an act of grace. It cannot be demanded. Kaya hindi siya reason or even defeater, no? Sa Calvinism or even hindi ginagamit ng Calvinism yun as a proposition, as a positive proposition to present their view. Ang positive proposition is there are those who are elected before the foundation of the world. So I hope na sa part na to, sana mapanood nila tong video na ito. And humbly, no, I hope na sana itigil nila itong poisoning the well na ito. Now, balik tayo doon sa pre-selected few. Dito na natin babasahin yung response ni A-Rich. So, ang response niya, basahin ko. At sinabi ko, by the way, dito na try harder. Try harder, why? Because they have been critiquing Calvinism for quite a while. And hindi pa ba naging malinaw sa kanila ito? So, ayan. Sabi ni Erich, there are those who chide Grace for All Coalition for allegedly misrepresenting Calvinism because we use the term pre-selected few. Someone even challenged us to try harder. Yes. John Calvin defined predestination as God's eternal decree, by which he compacted with himself what he willed to become of each man. For all are not created in equal condition. Rather, eternal life is foreordained for some, eternal damnation for others. So if kung dito nila ina-extract yung pre-selected few, wala kang makikitang suggestion dito that Calvin is suggesting whether few or majority. Again, it could mean both. Some could mean few. Inaalaw ko yan. Some could mean few, but not always few. Some could also mean majority, but not all. So, merong nuance yung meaning ng some. Pero ang pinaka-precise definition ng some is not everything or not all. Yun ang pinaka-precise na definition niya when we talk about someness, the concept of someness. Hindi explicitly sinabi ni John Calvin dito, eternal life is foreordained for the pre-selected few. I would say, Erich, na that is your interpretation because again, you are informed by your eschatology. Mamaya, expound natin yan. Hindi sinabi ni John Calvin dito, eternal life is foreordained for the pre-selected few and eternal damnation for the majority. Walang explicit statement si John Calvin dito as you have quoted it. Now, let's continue reading. As far as my limited English vocabulary is concerned, some is synonymous with few. I disagree. Some is synonymous to not all, not everything, not everyone. Yun ang mas precise. So when Calvin said eternal life is foreordained for some, isn't that the same as, no, it's not. No, it's not. Yung term na some is quite vague. It's quite vague. To say, Erich, to say that some always means pre-selected few or few. To say that some always means few is to commit a logical fallacy called non sequitur. Non sequitur. Not always. It's not always few. Again, ang pinaka-precise na definition niya is not everything, not everyone, not all. So if we have a particular group, and then God chooses to save some, it doesn't follow na 5 lang out of 1 million. Hindi ka makakapag-conclude ng ganon lang. No, that's hasty. So that's fallacious, Erich. He quoted R.C. Sproul. R.C. Sproul also wrote, God positively decrees the election of some, and he negatively decrees the reprobation of others. Again, the election of some sounds like, sounds like it. Hindi pwede, kapag makikritik tayo ng isang particular view, hindi pwedeng, kung ano tingin natin, that's what I mean when I see the term some. Hindi pwede yun. Kailangan nating kailangan nating maunawaan ano kayang ibig niyang sabihin sa some. Si Calvin, ano kayang ibig niyang sabihin sa some? Finally, Yoda said, do or do not. There is no try. Yes, you have to try. You have to really try because again, nag-focus na naman kayo dito sa critique ko about pre-selected few pero hindi niyo tinouch yung sinabi ko na yung few or many or few or majority will depend on your eschatological lens, or will be informed by your eschatological lens. So, with regards to the doctrine of election, ang pinaka-proposition lang na dapat i-critique ng mga anti-Calvinism is God selected or pre-selected some for salvation. Yun ang pinaka-proposition. With regards to kung majority ba ito or few, I would not say na ito ay irrelevant, but totally a different position na on how we view the eschaton. So yun. I hope na maging malinaw na ito sa kanila. And again, humbly, I ask them if nag-strive sila to really critique this particular belief, at least faithfully engage what Calvinism truly believe. Kung ano yung monolithic sa Calvinism. Alright, so I guess dito na lang muna. And by the way, doon sa nag-send sa akin ito, maraming salamat sa iyo. And may we always think God's thoughts after Him. Thank you.